there, I'm Lisa Doyle of Rockcliff Realtors, and welcome to our How is the Market update. Of course, I'm keeping you posted as far as our market trends continue. Today is Friday, March 8th, and we've seen pretty much nothing but the same that what we've had for the last 6 months. Super high demand, almost a crazy, frenzied high demand, and very low inventory. Although we are starting to see some seasonal, slight increases in inventory, but our demand is still way exceeding the supply. Just to give you a quick example, before I share with you the data, what's going on right now and what's happening with our active and pending ratios, we've had the average home in our market right now is pending at 107% of the asking price. And this is the area that's basically our 680, 580 corridor, our East Bay. So 106%, 107% of the asking prices, which means some homes are selling for upwards of 10, 15% higher than asking. So it just means, as a buyer, be very strategic when you're looking at buying a home. There's some definite ideas of what I can share. And of the next week's segment, I'm going to share some strategies with a few buyers that what we've done to get their offers accepted. With one family, we were 37 offers competing, and we got their offer accepted. So I can share with you some ideas. But for now, as far as statistics, what we got going on right now in our area, this last week there were 162 properties that just came on the market as active, which again is so seasonably low as compared to what our normal homes hitting the market in the March timeframe. 171 went pending. So still the opposite as far as our active and pending ratio. The one statistic that's showing a little bit of signs of some positive growth is about 3 weeks ago we had 330 active listings in our entire East Bay. As of today we have 516. So just barely starting to show some signs. As you guys remember, about a year and a half ago we had 2,400. So we are still significantly lower than what we would normally expect to see this time of year. Buyers keep asking me, okay, so does this mean that the inventory will start to rise April, May, and June? I'm hoping that we see a little bit more balance, a little bit more inventory to choose from. Many buyers out there, definitely struggling to find a nice home, which again, we've got some strategies on helping you to do that. So if you have questions, give me a call. One other figure that's very interesting is the total number of pending homes in our area is 1,238, which last year at this time we had 1,650. So just because the demand is greater doesn't mean that the number of home sales has been higher because inventory's been so low. So that's the classic sign of prices rising. So just be aware of the trends right now. If you're a seller, what an opportunity to sell your home when you have absolutely no competition, and buyers that are very excited to buy homes. Interest rates right now still hovering at about 3.5%, so just a tremendous value. But if you have questions about your personal circumstances, of course, give me a call. My name again is Lisa Doyle. My number is 925-890-7443, and I'm going to talk next week a little bit about some strategy if you are a buyer. What can you do to compete and find a home in this market? And we've got some great ideas to suggest. So I look forward to seeing you soon.